Everybody has a favorite book. It could be a comic book, a novel, autobiography, or webtoon. My favorite book is a webtoon called Lookism. Today, I will tell you why I like this, how I saw it first, and the common information of this webtoon. I'll tell you the common information first. Lookism is made by a webtoon company called the Park Tae-joon Webtoon Company. It started at 2014 November 20th and it's still serialized. At first, it was about criticizing modern society, but now it changed to a webtoon about fighting. Next, I'll tell you about how I saw it first. One day, I was watching YouTube at the airplane, and there was a lot of shorts, and almost all of them were about Lookism. So I saw Lookism first, and I started to watch it every evening. Finally, I will tell you why I like it. At first, I liked it because I don't like Lookism and the webtoon's content was blaming Lookism. And now I like it because I like fighting scenes. In conclusion, I like Lookism because it is fun to me. Thank you!